Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and in this video I believe my collection could or could not be complete. I got more Sesame Street yarn, One Hat Wonder. So first up I had Cookie Monster. I already made him into a hat. So this is my granny square hat pattern that I used for Cookie Monster. I have Elmo. And I have Big Bird. And I have some more now. Alright, crinkly sounds. Next off, this is a recently new Sesame Street character since I was a little girl. This is Abby Cadabby. Abby Cadabby? Now Abby Cadabby. So to remind you that the One Hat Wonder is a 2.5 ounce ball or 70 grams, 95 yards or 87 meters. I bought her off Amazon, and her colors, those are her colors. Looks like a lavender color, pink and white. I don't know if you can see that. So that is Abby Cadabby. Oh, there goes Elmo. Okay. And then while I was on Amazon having to buy printer cartridge, I found this. Now this is a set. I bought a set of this off Amazon, and there is 4 in here. Looks like I have the Count, Big Bird, not Big Bird, Bert and Ernie, and Grover. And it came with an extra tool item. We're going to open you now. So I wasn't expecting this in there, so obviously it's got a ruler on it. And it has, if you don't know what them holes are for, well, they're sometimes they don't have labels, they're to measure your, so this is a size. This would be, well, it says it's US size 8. Oh, millimeter, so that will tell me that this bottom is millimeters. I'll have to remember that now, because the 5 in here is, then this is a size 8, and it does say 5 millimeter on here, so I'll have to remember that these numbers are millimeter sizes and not like the needle size where it says like this is an 8. That probably would have threw me off. It's like, okay, so these are millimeter sizes on here. That's what this is. Alright, but hey, we're here for the yarn, right? So here's Bert. Bert. Those are those colors in Bert. Looks like we got some green, some white, orange, and blue. Here's Ernie. We have Ernie. Remember his colors? That is blue, yellow, and some red and white. And we have the Count. I'll try to imitate the Count. Bad job. Ooh, I like, he's got the best, he's got purple in him. He's got purple, black, white. And finally we have Grover. He's in red, white, and blue. So now I'm wondering if this is all the if I got them all. If I got all the Sesame Street characters. Those 4. Abby. Big Bird. Elmo. And Cookie Monster. So let me know in the comments if this is all of them. I don't think I've seen any more. And what you would make with these. I might continue to make, if you need a crochet hat pattern for these, this is my granny skirt one. I'll leave that in the description. So that is my Sesame Street collection. So if you did like this video, please give it a like. I want to see more content like this. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now.